Hello, welcome to TFN Stockbusters. I'm Krista Das. Many experts believe that gas could reach $4 per gallon by summer's end due to overvalued crude stocks and soon-to-be cold wars in several oil-rich nations. You might be wondering how this has impacted automobile sales. While summer has always been a popular time of the year to offer incentives, U.S. automakers are preparing to offer bigger incentives than in years past, including 0% financing on a number of models. In light of this topic, I have invited Christian DeHamer, head trading research services publisher at Taipan and mastermind behind our newest service, Crisis Trader, to reveal one automaker that he suggests you should keep out of your portfolio altogether. Chris, thank you for joining us.
Glad to be here, Krista.
Now, I can't help but ask what you meant by this line in one of your recent articles, quote, "Shoot the general before he surrenders. Generals are failing all over the place. It's almost as if they got involved in a major land war in Asia," end of quote. Chris, what on earth did you mean by this?
Krista, the last time I was here, I told you about General's Properties Group and how it was going to get killed. In my trading service, Gresser, I recommended to readers that they should buy puts. That recommendation made an easy 100% gain. Today, I'm going to do it again. One of my top analysts, Adam Lass, the big kahuna over at Wave Strength Option Weekly, has been taking pot shots at General Motors for a couple of months now. And I think he was right. The chart is rolling over. Now is the time to make sure you are not invested in GM. I'd only suggest you buy puts here.
General Motors, but this company had record first quarter global sales of more than 2.2 million vehicles.
Shares of General Motors are in a trading range between $29 and $32, but the highs are getting lower. It's propped up like a boneless girl in a Salvador Dali painting. And once the crutch is gone and it breaks 29 bucks, the downside's coming, this thing's going to crash.
Okay, so GM is overvalued and the stock is about to fall faster than Humpty Dumpty. What is causing this?
Well, Krista, last week the SEC requested documentation on its commodity and foreign exchange contracts. This is in addition to an SEC filing that its exposure to bankrupt auto parts manufacturer Delphi is $7 billion. GM further said it might have to restate results after the SEC completes its review of General Motors Acceptance Corp., the company's former finance unit.
This doesn't sound promising. What exactly is the SEC probing for, and how far back are we talking about?
Well, last year, GM restated results dating back to 2000. And in March 2007, the company delayed its 2006 annual report in order to restate figures between 2002 and 2005. The SEC probe relates to that report. Regarding Delphi, GM has set aside $6 billion to pay retirement costs for GM workers at that company. Those costs are now estimated to be at $7 billion. And GM will likely take a pre-tax charge of $1 billion in the second quarter. GM also expects to pay United Auto Workers members at Delphi $300 to $400 million in annual labor-related charges.
What is GM doing about its cash position?
Well, GM is adding to its cash position by raising $5.2 billion through a convertible bond offering and setting up a new credit revolver. Separately, GM is now classifying a sale of subsidiary Allison Transmission as probable. Analysts have speculated it could bring in $3 billion.
Well, it sure sounds like the negatives far outweigh the positives. So bottom line, General Motors is not a stock that you want to be invested in right now.
That's correct, Krista. There are even rumors that GM will cut loose its former profit leader, GMAC, because of our old friend subprime loans. What more do you need? The General's all but surrendered. The only thing you have to ask is, will the General fall on its sword or quietly slink off into the night?
Chris, thanks for the information.
Always a pleasure.
If you would like more information from Chris on how to protect your portfolio, check out his newest trading research service, Crisis Trader, on TaipanFinancialNews.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your portfolio safe.